Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the side button and we need to keep holding it for about, I would say 10 or maybe 15 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. Okay, let's say it's about time to release it. Release the button and the watch should be turned off. And as you can see, it started rebooting automatically. Sometimes you need to press and hold the side button to turn it back on, but this time it didn't need to happen. So if you hold the button for 10 or 15 seconds and then release it, it should reboot basically. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.